Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Sentra wiper blades. This is a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself in about 10 to 15 minutes, saving you time and money. First, gather your new wiper blades and a small flathead screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the ignition off. Then, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position, preparing for the next step. Now that your wiper arms are in the upright position, it is time to remove the old blades. Look closely at the point where the blade connects to the arm. You will find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards, away from the hook on the wiper arm. Once detached, carefully lower the bare wiper arm back towards the windshield, ensuring it does not snap down and potentially crack the glass. With the old blade removed, it is time to install your brand new one. Take your new wiper blade and carefully align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked into place. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm assembly back onto the windshield, ensuring a smooth and controlled motion. After installing both new wiper blades, it is crucial to test them out. Turn on your Nissan Sentra and activate the windshield wipers, using plenty of washer fluid. Observe how the new blades perform across the entire windshield. Ensure they make full contact with the glass and clear away water smoothly and effectively, without streaking or chattering. This simple check confirms your successful installation and ensures clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.